Hello my dear students. In this video, I am extending usage of arrays on different cases. In previous two videos, I have explained arrays and I have demonstrated with some programs in another video how to use arrays. Arrays used with different cases. Arrays used in functions like this actually we have seen in the previous video. In today's video, I will be telling about these four topics. 1. Merging of arrays. Next, searching in arrays. Searching in array we have already done it. There is one sequential searching, this is called linear search. This we have already done it in the previous class. The purpose of keeping data inside the array itself is to search. Basically to do search for an element. If that element exists, you may do some operation based on that later. But first of all, you have to do searching whether the element is there or not. And also you should know the location at which it is there. So therefore, you should go to the place where you need to do operation. To do any operation, maybe modifying, maybe computation, first of all you have to do searching. So therefore, searching is an interesting thing. So there are two types of searching you will be studying. One is called linear search. Second one is called binary search. Linear search I have already told in the previous class. Anyway, I will be doing it now. So next, since array is one of the data structure like integer, character, float, etc. and all, only difference is this is coming in the group. Those kind, they are there in the single element, whereas this one array is set of elements. So therefore, this can also be used as a data to pass parameter to the function. You can even get back, just like how you have used the function to pass parameters. You can also send array as a parameter to the function. So that we will see. And interestingly, you have one more mechanism called, this is called as a two-dimensional array. Later this can be extended to multi-dimensional array. I am not mentioning right now. So you can imagine now a two-dimensional array. It is array so far that we have seen is a single dimension. Now we can extend this to two-dimensional also. So this is what we will be seeing in today's class. Alright? Okay. Merging of arrays. What is merging of arrays? I have two single dimensional array, two arrays. I will be combining them, making them as a single array. Not a big task, not a big assignment. I have two arrays. This is one array, array number 1. This has got some number of elements, right? Then I have here second element, second array. This is array 1. This is array 2. I will be combining them to form a single array, right? Like this. So I have here 23, 46, 96, 86, 123, 06. So here 89, 55, 62, 69, 76, like this. Now I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. 6 plus 5 elements are to be merged over here. So first, 23, 46, 96, 86, 123, 06. Then I have here 89, 55, 62, 69, 76. So this is what the merging of two arrays. You have to write a small program, maybe small algorithm to understand this, and later you write a program to merge these two arrays. Alright. Now, there is an interesting complexity that you got to understand out of this. See, I have written an array called AR1, which is having size 6 and also now length of the array is also 6. Whereas in this case also array 2 is of size 5 and all elements are filled. Alright. Now there may be a situation where you have here array 1 of size 6, but there are only 4 elements. Here also I have here array size as 5, but there are only 4 elements. Then do I have to give empty space here and here also? Here giving empty space is not required. Say in this case, say I have here array 1 of size 6, but there are 4 elements. Array 2 of size 5, but length of the array is 4. There are only 4 elements. Then merging of array should be like this: 23, 46, 96, 86. Now I am not really giving any empty space as it is like this. So I am now adding up this 89, 55, 62, 69. You can leave out empty spaces of your choice, anything at the end. So this is how you are supposed to do the merging of two arrays. It is not really complicated. So we will see that with some examples in the next video when I am demonstrating this merging of arrays by using some algorithm, okay, and making them as a single array, right? Second, we go for searching of an array. Searching of an array, we have already done it. How? I have an array, you label it as some array, array 1. I have some elements over here. In this, I am searching for a specific number. If that number is there, then I will be telling the number is available. Otherwise, my searching is unsuccessful. When do I declare my result is successful or unsuccessful? Worst case, you have to traverse till the end and find it out. If you don't find out even after reaching till all the elements have been met, then you say it is unsuccessful. Right? So this is what usually you will be seeing this in case of searching. Right? This is called linear search. What is that? You have carried a bag along with you. You have inserted some books, you have inserted some geometry, your wallet, your tiffin box, your pen, pencil, everything you have brought it into your maybe your jacket, right? Perfume, many things you would have just brought it in your bag while coming to the college, all right? Water bag, water bottle, your tiffin box, everything you would have kept it in your box, right? Now, many components are there in that actually. You are trying to search for one book. You would have brought some 10 books there, 10 notebooks which are there for this semester. You have brought all the notes, right? You are searching for mathematics notes. So you open up the bag and start searching. First one, what is that? Check whether it is a mathematics notes or not. No, then go to the second one, go to the third one, fourth one. You may get the result by putting your hand in one of the notebook as a mathematics book, you take it out. Even after searching 10 books, you don't find a mathematics notes there, it means it is unsuccessful. You did not bring mathematics notes today. So searching linear, you are trying to meet all the elements and trying to get the result based on searching all the elements. This is called linear search. In the linear search, you will be bringing it. Say for example, one new teacher has come to the class. Attendance list is given to him. New teacher. Why I am telling new teacher? If the teacher is already taking some classes, the names of the students is familiar to him. But he is a new teacher to the class. Some list is given by HOD. Now, I would like to check whether Krishna, a name called Krishna, is there in the list or not. since the teacher is new to the class, you will be searching from the beginning, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will be searching where the Krishna would be there, like this. So this is called linear search. What is linear search? A search that happens, worst case, searching the entire thing one by one, and you will be declaring the result. So there is an alternate mechanism of searching which is most popular, which is called as a binary search. Which is called binary search. You will be using this binary search in most of the cases. If you are a computer science student, you will be using this most extensively, especially when we study this data structure like trees, etc. and all, binary search tree, etc. and all, you will be using them, right? But this concept is also very common to human system also, right? Say for example, there is one textbook. You know that in the textbook, the pages are kept in some sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Assume that the book size is 400, and you are keeping all the books. I'll just bring the book to you. This is the book. This is the book for you. This is the prescribed textbook for you, let us say. I would like to, you know that actually in any textbook, the page numbers are there in sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to whatever the page. This has got 524 pages. So all 524 pages are there in some specific sequence. Now, assume that all students have brought this textbook to the class. Teacher says, open up 324th page. Open up 324th page. Now, are you going it like this, page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this? No, you are not really going it like this. Randomly you go to somewhere middle, and you get the page number that you got while opening. Somewhere in the middle, you got 223. Your common sense says, page number 324 is the right side. So therefore, next random I am picking it somewhere here. I got 369. So 369 means somewhere near left. So I want to open up somewhere in between. So I get 320. 320 means next I should go to next 2 pages to get 324. So here you are doing this. Most of the students, most of the people in any textbook for that matter, I didn't go to the page number. You don't do it sequentially. Randomly open it somewhere in the middle, and the number that you are looking for is there in the right side or in the left side, you will be deciding. So based on this randomness, you will be doing this. This is called approximation. You will be doing this similar exercise in the searching also, but there is one condition. What is the condition? Page numbers should be in sequence. Then only you can do the search. If the page numbers are not in sequence, how can you do the searching? Assume that the printing press fellow, he has put all 524 pages, but they are not in sequence. After page number 1, page number 2 is not there. Some other page number is there, but all pages are there. Then, can I do the searching? No, I cannot just do like that. It should be in some sequence. Then only I can do searching quickly. So that type of mechanism is called as a binary search. What is this binary search? To do binary search, data should be in order, like these page numbers, 1 to 524. Then I can do searching very easily. In your attendance register, it is kept in alphabetical order. Then searching Krishna is very easy for me. If the names of the students are not written in alphabetical order, then I have to search each and everything one below the other. That is called a linear search. Whereas in case of quick searching, arrange the names of the students, all 60 students, in ascending order. First actually Arvind, next Amar, like this Amar, Arvind, like this actually it goes, right? Zubia is there, she is there at the last. Like this I am writing it. Then searching for Krishna is very easy. I know that Krishna, that comes somewhere in the middle. So therefore I just go to the middle. If it is there, if I locate something, then I go to the top or to the bottom, depending on whether the successful or not, like this. So like this I am just doing it in a conventional human system also. Very similar concept is being followed in binary search. So that is possible only when you have data in order. If it is not in order, you can't do this. So therefore, one of the prerequisites to do binary search is arrange the numbers in order, right? So assume that I have here 89, 56, 23, 38, 18, 59, 12, 8 and 6. Now I can do linear search on this. You tell me whether 18 is there or not. Check this, check this, check this, check this, check this. Yes, I got it. Then I will be searching it. What worst case I have to do searching till the end. Whether 13 is there or not. Search this, compare, search and compare, search, compare, search, compare, search, compare, search. So I have reached the end. So after reaching the end also I did not get, means it is unsuccessful. 13 is not there. To do that I have to do till end. So this is a linear search. Right. Whereas in case of binary search, the first one, you have to first arrange the numbers in ascending order. Right. The first number is 6. Next number is 8. Next number is 12. Next is 18. Next 23. Next 38. 38. After that 56. 59. Then 89. Right? Now numbers are in ascending order. To sort the number, there are some algorithms. I have not explained here. So there is that algorithm. What you are having in your syllabus is called bubble sort algorithm. Of course, that will be seen in the next module maybe. Assume that actually there is an algorithm that sorts the number and gives you sorted array. Sorted array like this. Searching an element is based on the middle value. Right? You call this as bottom. You call this as top. You call this as top. Now, I would like to search for an element called 7. Now, I have to search for an element called 7. So, what I do is I just go to the middle. First thing is I go to the middle. You know that actually this is index of this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means there are 9 elements, 0 to 9. These are the index values I have explained already. Go to the middle. So 0 plus 8 divided by 2. So fourth is the middle value. Go to the middle value. So what is the value there? 23. If at all you have 7, I don't know whether it is there or not. If a 7 is there, that is there to the left side. It cannot be there to the right side. So therefore, I don't do any searching on this. I search only to the left side. Now, I consider this one as the top element. This one as the top element. Then, I do the similar exercise. Recursive program you can just do. So, 0 plus 4 divided by 2. So, that is 2. This is the middle element. Middle element, what does it indicate? Anything to the right side is always bigger than 12. Anything left side is always smaller than 12. So therefore, my number called 7, if at all if it is there, it will be there in the left side, not to the right side. So therefore, I eliminate right side again. So many elements have been removed, right? Since this is not 7, so therefore, I will be taking this one as the top, this one as the bottom, this plus 2 divided by 2. Since I have only 3 elements, 8 is the pivotal element. If at all if this is there, it should be there to the left. It is not there. It is not there to the right. So therefore, within 3 attempts, Within 3 attempts, I should be able to get the element available or not, just like how I am looking for a book actually. Now I will ask you, please go to the 120th page. So first I take one random. So this number is 169. So therefore, if at all if 120 is there, it will be there to the left side. So therefore I go to the left, some random, some 30, 90. So 90 means actually it is to the right. I go to the next, 152, so it is left. I come to 108, so it is to the right. Then I go to 140, to the left. Then 136, again to the left. So like this I will be doing this. Well, within 4 or 5 attempts, I should be able to reach up to the value. This is called binary search. We will be seeing this with some algorithm in the next video with the programs. Alright. So we will now move on to the next topic called passing arrays to functions. Right. Passing arrays to function is very similar to the passing of parameter to the functions. Whenever I have a function, so I have here include, let me write one program. I have made an array called array ARR. Its size is 5. I have initiated the value like 12, 50, 90, 16, 80. So these 5 numbers I have initiated to the array. It means I have declared an array of size 5. Then first element is 12, second element is 50, this is 90, this is 16, this is 8, like this. You know that actually you can also use keyboard to do the scanning, get the things and store it. So that also we have seen it in the previous video. So I have initiated directly like this. You can initiate, right? Now array elements are already been filled. Now I can call a function called 1 to do some activity here. I am writing one function called 1. 1 is a function that does something based on the array value being passed. See, there are 2 possibilities. 1, you can send the entire array, or you can send the individual element also. It is possible. You can send the individual element also. I can send something like this: array ARR 0. It means you are sending only the first element, that the index value is 0. Index value is this. This is index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 0th index value. But it means the 12 is passed. 12 is passed to this function. So obviously when you are declaring here integer n. What is this n? N is a local variable in this function which has already got the value from the calling function. So what is the value? Value is 12. 12 array of 0, that is 12. 12 is passed here. You can do some computation in this and you can send this back. While sending, you can also use it, post it to some array elements, that is also possible. You can see with all these combinations with some programs, we will see that in the next class. But you have to understand that you can send array elements individually to the calling function. In this function, you can send it. This is one possibility. What is alternative? What is the other way? It is not alternative. So other type of sending the parameter. You can send individual element, or you can send array directly to the called function. So this is the calling function, that's a called function. I can directly send like this. So I can send ARR like this. You can send the entire array. Here you have to declare like this, integer n of size 5, like this. You are sending entire array. This array will go here, and n is a local variable. N is an integer type of array which can hold 5 values, but these 5 values are already got it from where? From this function. This is calling, this main is calling that. So therefore, main array is already having these 5 values. These 5 values are passed. So therefore, in this, n is a local variable, local array, and it has got 5 values which has already come from this function. So what is n of 0? N of 0 is 12. N of 1 is 50. N of 90 is this. N of 3 is 16. N of 4 is 8. All these values are already transferred. So you can pass parameters. Array individual elements can be passed, or array as a whole can be passed to the calling function. So this is what you are supposed to see. We will see with some examples in the example videos, right? Next, we shall move on to the next topic which is there in this module called as two-dimensional arrays. Array not necessarily single dimension. It can be made as multi-dimension. Of course, to understand this better, we go with the two-dimensional, then you can go for three-dimensional, four-dimensional, etc. and all. More than three-dimensional, it is very difficult to imagine for a human system, because human system can understand, visualize, imagine three-dimension. Four-dimension is very, very difficult. But it is possible to declare any dimension in the array, in the C program. Of course, it is there in any other programming languages also. Like how you have declared array, integer array of size 5. Now I am putting one more square bracket along with this. It becomes 5 cross 5. Here it is 5. This is integer array 5. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. When I declare this as a two-dimensional array like this, then it becomes 5 cross 5. It means like this. Like this. You can now declare this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, please remember, index starts from 0. It doesn't start from 1. Like this. Now, to identify any element, you need to have two addresses. It is earlier only one address called index value. Now, this is the address. Address is 0. Address is 1. Like this. Now, you have two addresses called row number and column number. So, this is the row number and this is the column number. So, you will be accessing array of 0, 0 means this element called 12, then 50, then 90, then 16, 8, 53, 12. Like this you can keep writing all the numbers. Any element can be accessed by using array position. So therefore I am writing this is, so I will be using this. Printf %d ARR 1, 2. Can I use like this? Yes. I can print a integer value which is there at 1, 2. 1, 2, this is 59. This number. Now 59 is printed. This number is printed. You can write any number. I can write this is print of 0, 3. 0, 3 is this 16. You can directly print. You can directly use, especially whenever we use to store names. See, so far we have used character, only single character. Now I can use to store your name in the form of array like this, two-dimensional array, then your name can be stored there, right? Say how? Take this case. Character name 10. What does it mean? I am now declaring a variable called name, which is of type character. It can store 10 characters. You can see here, name is an array. It can store 10 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It can store like this. I would like to store my name, let us say M-U-R-A-L-I, Murali. Murali is my name. I can store it like this. So this is name, index value 0 is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to 9. Up to 0 to 5 it is there. So therefore, this is how I can store. This is one character, this one character, this one character, one character, one character, like this. Now, my name can be stored in the form of array. If you would like to store more than one names, then I can declare this as names as 10 cross 10. It means now I have this two-dimensional array like this. Like this. How? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. First row I am storing my name Murali. Next name I am storing is Krishna. So next Mohan. Like this. I can store all the names. So therefore, whenever I declare character names 10 cross 10, like this, I can store names in this fashion. Individual name, one name is one row. In that, one box is one character. Like this I have explained with the numbers. You can do this with a characters set. Then it is called a special name in programming languages called string. This becomes a string. This is one string. This is another string. This is another string. Usually to end the string, because I am using one /0 here, just to indicate that this is end of the string. What is the /0? /0 is another character. You are adding it up here to make it understand for the compiler to know that this is end of the data in this row, in this array. This is one dimensional array. This is another dimensional array. So put together this becomes two-dimensional array. One element is nothing but a single character. This is 0, 0. I can print also that one. Printf %c names of 1, 3. Like this. What is there at 1, 3? 1, 3 is yes. Yes will be printed. If you would like to print the string, entire thing, there is one string format also. This can be printed like this. That we will be seeing that in the subsequent classes. Don't worry about that. You can print character by character also. Set of characters can be printed like that. We will use these concepts, merging of arrays, searching of an array with a binary search, of course linear search I have already explained in the previous video, passing arrays to the function, two-dimensional array. We will see these things in the next session. Thank you.